Symptoms of a neutral safety switch. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Welcome to Auto Repair. Today, we're diving into a crucial yet often overlooked part of your car, the neutral safety switch. This little component plays a big role in keeping you safe on the road. If it starts acting up, it can cause some serious headaches. Stick around, and we'll break down the symptoms of a faulty neutral safety switch, so you'll know exactly what to watch out for. What is a neutral safety switch? It's a safety device that prevents your car from starting unless the transmission is in park or neutral. Without it, your car might start in gear, leading to accidents. Sounds important, right? Let's see what happens when this switch starts failing. The 5 symptoms. Car won't start in park or neutral. Car starts in any gear. Intermittent starting issues. The check engine light. Difficulty shifting gears. Symptom number 1. Car won't start in park or neutral. This is one of the most common signs of a faulty neutral safety switch. If the switch can't detect the correct gear, it won't let the engine crank. You might think it's a dead battery, but the culprit could be this tiny switch. Symptom number 2. Car starts in any gear. If your car starts while it's in drive or reverse, that's a major red flag. A failing neutral safety switch can override the safety mechanism, which is dangerous and could lead to accidents. Symptom number 3. Intermittent starting issues. Some days your car starts fine, other days it doesn't. This inconsistency could point to a neutral safety switch that's on its way out. It's especially common in older vehicles. Symptom number 4. The check engine light. A faulty neutral safety switch can trigger a diagnostic trouble code, causing the light to illuminate. If you see this, it's time to grab a scanner or visit a mechanic. Symptom number 5. Difficulty shifting gears. A failing neutral safety switch can interfere with the shifting mechanism, making it harder to move between gears smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.